I once thought about leaving this beautiful city behind, like many, in search for better opportunities. But something inside me was telling me to stay. Something was telling me that was I really about to leave the city that didn't just educate me, but shaped me as a person, made me who I am today? Was I really about to leave it all behind? This question bothered me a lot. And I decided to stay.
Hi, my name is Rishi Dey, a student of Globsyn Business School from batch 2023 to 2025, and I'm here to share my academic journey over the last 2 years.
I first heard about Globsyn Business School from one of my professors at my undergraduate college. He told me that this college uniquely positioned itself as being one of India's first corporate B schools. The college essentially tries to give you the taste of corporate culture as soon as you take your first steps into the campus. I wasted no time in taking admission into Globsyn, Eastern India's premier B school.
My first day at the induction contained of panelist speakers as well as Rahul sir's speech, where I first understood that I had made it and my journey was about to begin. Enriched by various academic sessions such as Corporate Connects, helping us to connect the dots between classroom learning to practical application, as well as alumni mentorship programs, which helped me refine my own approach towards a job, towards the industry, as well as my education. Beyond conventional classroom activities, as the Joint Director of Channelizing Youth under the KYLF board, I also had the pleasure of organizing many events such as Ananda Utsav, which is a special day by organizing different kinds of competitions, magic shows, as well as games. We dedicate this day to them just to share a little bit of the happiness that we take for granted in our lives daily. Along with this, we also have events such as Winter Magic, where we donate clothes to children across different locations, allowing us to learn about different logistics teams, about how to manage a large crowd of people, as well as deal with any sort of issues that may come across during the event. Besides the flagship events, we also organize many smaller events aimed at elderly people, where we try to make them relive just few happy memories of their life from the past, as well as an Independence Day event which we celebrated at the Lighthouse for the Blind at Tollygunge. These events were not just for us to learn about management. The experiences I gained from these activities taught me not just about how to be a good manager, it also taught me how to be a good human being, instilling values in me such as teamwork, responsibility, and community engagement. It made me into a better person than I was 2 years ago. Theoretical learning lays the foundation, but real learning begins when you enter the professional world. My summer internship program was a transformative experience which helped me to bridge the gap between classroom learning as well as practical application. During my SIP, I gained hands-on experience with financial analysis, how the banking sector operates, as well as customer relationship management. It helped me develop a keen understanding of how the banking sector actually operates, as well as sharpen my decision-making skills. Interacting with these professionals gave me insights that no textbook could offer, and I learned the importance of adaptability, precision, and customer-centric thinking, qualities which are essential for the banking sector.
After completing my SIP and over the last 2 years, one thing I've realized that it's about the journey. It's about the experiences you gather and what it means to you. And that is what I have done.
Kolkata is a city of bustling opportunities where heritage meets progress and academics lead to greater heights. This city has challenged me, nurtured me, and ultimately led me on the successful journey that I have led today. When I first got placed at Federal Bank, it didn't feel like just a milestone, but a testament to all the limitless number of possibilities offered by this beautiful city. As I continue on this next chapter in my life, I carry with me the lessons, the experiences, and the spirit of this very city. Thank you, Kolkata, for being my foundation, and thank you, Globsyn Business School, for believing in me.